Is it the right time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 19, 2024, our system has ranked SoFi as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.56. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Although there have been some natural fluctuations, currently, the stock is at a 0% loss since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $7.44 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 22.61% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 21.83% to 76.95%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 27.64% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 13.16% to 117.56%. This means that the stock price could reach anywhere between $8.48 and $16.30 after a year. Our latest update for SoFi brings a significant headline: SoFi stock upgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Friday, January 19, 2024, the SoFi stock price showed a gain of 1.08%, moving from $7.41 to $7.49. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.02%, reaching a low of $7.21 and a high of $7.50. It's worth noting that the stock has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of -11.05% for this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by -7 million, with a total of 40 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $297.13 million. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate a divergence and potentially forecast changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached $11.70, while the lowest price was recorded at $4.45. Currently, the stock price stands at 35.98% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $4.21. Furthermore, it is also 73.5% below the all-time high, which occurred on February 1, 2021, when the price soared to $28.26. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, January 10, 2024, Deutsche Bank gave SoFi a hold grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods upgraded SoFi's grade to market perform with an upgrade action. On Thursday, August 17, 2023, Citigroup gave SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods downgraded SoFi to an underperform grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, July 25, 2023, Stephens gave SoFi an equal weight grade with an initialize action. Analysts have given SoFi stock a general buy rating. They believe the PE ratio is favorable for buying and the price-to-book ratio is also recommended as a buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. Let's analyze the signals for SoFi. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.08%. This suggests that there may be further growth until a new top pivot is identified. Despite the increase in prices, the volume declined during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and requires careful observation. Additionally, there are some negative signals that could impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, which implies a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If there are corrections leading to upward movement, the stock may face resistance at $7.81 and $8.60. However, a break above these levels would generate buy signals. Another important signal to note is the sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 81 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 20 days ago. Don't forget to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Here's what you need to know about support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. Let's start with support levels. SoFi currently has support just below today's level at $6.94 and $6.90, based on accumulated volume. Support levels are important because if they break, the stock may fall to the next support level. SoFi's next support levels, if broken, can be found at $6.90 and $6.85. It's important to note that SoFi is considered to be a high-risk stock due to its volatility. This means that it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.37% over the past week. SoFi also has a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, further indicating its high-risk nature. Before we explore potential trading levels for SoFi, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, usually due to external factors beyond their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 29, 2024. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for SoFi. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $7.89. If you're considering entering a position but don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Moving on to the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $6.94. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. Multiple analyst sources have given SoFi a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's look at some recent insider trades. On January 9, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. purchased 7,571 shares of restricted stock unit. On December 19, 2023, Rishel Jeremy sold 56,273 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, White Derek J. sold 114,362 shares of restricted stock unit. On December 14, 2023, White Derek J. purchased 114,362 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, White Derek J. sold 48,261 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -21.085. In total, insiders have purchased 4,896,168 shares and sold 7,545,609 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, our recommended stop loss is set at $7.06, which represents a decrease of 5.77%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. However, the low RSI 14 value of 16 helps mitigate some of this risk. In addition, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom that was identified just 1 day ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? While SoFi holds several negative signals, it's important to consider the potential for a turnaround situation. Therefore, it could be a good idea to hold or accumulate this stock as we await further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 22, we anticipate SoFi to open down $0.0900 and start trading at $7.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock market with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We also want to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.